Let's clear hallways, little bro just copped a monster. I love my, I love my, I love my, I love my, I love my,
He finna hit somebody, bro. Damn! That big ass truck. Damn! That motherfucker big as hell, that big ass truck.
Bought the hood on. Couple felons in this bitch, they still good round. When Shorty say we from the trenches, his ass a hood clown. Fuck some shit off on my wrist, ain't shit, it's still good now. Nice.
Hey, he swung that motherfucker, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, he did this shit. Man, he swung that bitch. Big ass tweaking. What the fuck? Hey, man. Stop! Hey, man, folks, get out the pit, man. Your ass tweaking. Oh! Bro, he hit me.
Little boy post his car, I'm finna Nella whip. 223s inside this bitch, better get your tissue ripped.
Bro, get that shit the fuck on, bro. That's a bitch, man. That's a girl. That's a girl. Get a bed, bro. Get a bed, bro. I don't know, but I closed the door. It was off. I'm glad you got a keychain, folks. Folks, I'm working a lot. He's tweaking, bro. What is he doing, bro?
Stop it. Get some help.
What do you own, bro? Bro, geez, bro. Now we finna tee up, man, or what? Turn up, bro.
I ain't doing no slide. If I could, I would, though. If I could, I would.
Man, nah, hey, we chill out there, man.
Cap.
We getting that content, man. Okay. Hey, we got a safe house, too. Bro in the chat was talking about, he was talking about wait for him and shit. He's talking, I'm finna be late, wait for me. I'm like, we might as well just trail and catch up. Bro, I had my shit on manual focus. My shit was blurry as hell. I should grab a banana, y'all. I didn't grab a banana. Bro, should I grab some bananas, bro?
Bro, what's wrong with him?
Hey, but we about to go to this Shay V meet, man. Everybody pop out, man. We in the rack with it.
Cap.
Outside of the rack. Close enough. You're welcome. We still waiting on motherfuckers. We told them not to be late, but it looks like they late anyway. Niggas. Well, I need one of them things that you hold like this. Hold on.
Velcro strips?
No. Hey, let me pull it up, though. Hey, folks, pull it up.
Man, you know we here, man. You know how we going, man. I was in the challenge and now I'm back in the scat, man. You can't stop it.
Bro, he might be a school shooter, my nigga.
Man, you can't stop it. Black excellence at its finest, man.
He did gonna be cold in that.
Just a little bit. No, I got 2 jackets on, though.
Hey, side town.
Here.
Yeah.
Who else? You know how we coming, man. Rockford's finest, man. Rockford's finest.
What that nigga be doing here?
Where's
your dad? Where's your mom? Where is your family?
Oh, okay.
Oh, I thought folks was
I was
coming.
thinking about it too. I'm like, man, I might just ride up with y'all and might go home
Yeah,
out.
we got bro down in the
What's
cut,
good, man?
We got Big Mac. We got macaroni and cheese. We got folks. Folks pulled up. Whoever don't got a big coat, I feel sorry for you. You gonna be cold in that, bro.
No, I got something on pocket.
You gonna be cold in that. You got another coat?
Hey, look.
Oh shit!
Hey, bro.
We got 2 bakes on, folks.
Hell, we out here, you feel me? Crazy. Bro. Doubled up. Ready for whatever.
Hey. But we ain't got.
So motherfuckers.
Hey, one thing I want to say. Oh, all y'all niggas got an iPad. Oh, all y'all niggas got an iPad.
Man, fuck iPad.
They finna smack y'all for like 5.
Tell them to go ahead and send that little letter in the mail, man.
Hey, I be ignoring
Oh,
that.
bro.
Hey, somebody told me that if you don't pay your motherfucking pat, it affect renewing your license when you got to renew that.
Cap.
Bitch. Is it cap?
Cap.
I guess I'm good.
My shit is due in a month, and it's regular price.
They ain't finna hear from you.
Huh?
They ain't finna hear from you.
Nah, bro, I'm not. Come on now. They send that fucking letter every time you go. Probably like a week after you go through a.
Bro, ass chicken. Oh, there go, bro. We gone. So we can get there at a good time.
And every time you go through a toll though, they send the shit like a week later. I ignore all of them. I tear them all up.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, I be ignoring them too. I ain't gonna lie.
Lock his ass up.
He brought out the hot mobile. The bitch hot.
That nigga Liam brought out that 300.
He did?
After he said he wasn't gonna bring it out.
He brought out his 300. There's no way he's driving that to Chicago. No way.
I don't know.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know. He
Nigga,
broke
bro, his
that
shit
bitch.
probably like 7 miles per gallon.
Yeah, that's
No,
cool.
he put his shit back up because his ass spun that bitch. The same night he brought it back, he spun that bitch and that bitch like fucked up the transmission and shit.
Damn.
Brought that bitch right back.
See, now that's cooked, man.
Oh, bro, that's that.
good?
I've been getting sideways, so I need bushings, all type of shit. I need joints. I've been fucking my shit up. That's why I ain't in my shit. Oh, shit!
Hey, I don't play with the bush.
I thought he was a mannequin.
He gonna get Draco down, man.
He like a mannequin. He, what are the motherfuckers that be wearing the clothes?
We get gas right now, and we leaving. On photo.
James asked the host.
We leave.
Niggas be named James, and it be only one nigga.
We outside. Oh, shit.
Nigga, we outside, nigga. We outside. Outside. Hey, stop on that jump. We making my car jump for real.
Bro, on
Stop
my
all
mama,
that damn
bro.
jumping.
You ain't never jumped so hard before your chain hit your tooth?
Huh?
That shit had me fucked up,
How the
man. I
fuck
be
this
sitting there
dude
looking
know that we
salty
going
as
there?
hell.
I need, bro, this dry ass pizza.
Bro, we gone,
He
bro.
finna eat that
Bro, get
motherfucker.
on my seat, man. I'm finna grab his ass. Oh!
Got him. We fucking got him.
Man, where my Scooby-Doo sandwich? Oh. Hey, shout out to Bay for the Scooby-Doo sandwich.
What is y'all doing? It's cold as hell. I'm ready to go.
Bro, folks talking about he need gas.
Word. Hey, what's that though? What's it up? One out of 10. What's that pizza up?
I bet a 4.
Come on, man.
I bet a 4.
You tried to get me to order that bitch?
Man, how much you spend on that?
I'm ready to go. I'm gonna get sick.
Hey, he finna get gas.
New whip, drive itself, it don't need a pilot. Walk a nigga down, stand over. Walk a nigga down, stand over. Brody out here wild, reaching for my chain, you gon' die trying to go viral.
Look at all these cars. We got, hey, we got G. Hey, you see, Squeeze? Squeeze, bro. This, Jam!
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
What the fuck? But hey, these niggas out here tweaking, man. There's hella shit out here, bro. You locked your car? Hey, fuck, pissing. Hey, we finna see y'all, nigga. Hey, G's on the car. We finna look for his ass.
Bro, your ass is. Hey, I guess I can't see. I'm not.
Oh, there you go right there. It's lit out here, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro? It's lit, bro. It's fucking lit, bro. Look at all these cars.
Bro, what happened?
Their ass cars trying to cut up and shit. That shit bucking me up, bro.
No, cause y'all, hey,
Shit, they try to kick it.
hey, is this Torch?
No. Wait, hold on.
I'm finna say, is that Torch?
Oh, I want a 360 camera on my shit.
Bro.
Like a ball kid. Also got
That's a cop. I'm finna tell his ass to grab that bitch.
Going to jail. You're going to jail.
Oh, there, bye.
Hey, bro, go.
Hey, bro, hey, we got a lot of shit out here, man. We got a lot of shit out here, man. Hey, folks doing a wheelie. Where everybody else go?
I don't even know. They had to go find
Nigga, y'all ass was in front of us.
Fuck y'all.
we get in front of y'all.
Bro, it was like three, bro.
Yeah, I ain't like, nigga, we left your ass and then.
Bro, y'all was gone.
What's dude in the fucking Camaro? Him and fucking the other dude in the scat. They ass left our
That be loud.
No, they left me. I was with they nigga, they right here. What the fuck?
Oh, you talking about Randy?
Man, fuck y'all, man. We
y'all
ass cannot cut up in traffic, man.
What did you just say?
Nigga, you know
Y'all ass cannot cut up in traffic.
Hey, you know that was squeeze. You know that was squeeze to you, right?
I was squeezing this big motherfucker.
see you, I
I
see
was
you.
squeezing this big
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
motherfucker.
Hey, that's
man.
Remy,
Y'all
bro. That's
can't
Remy
fuck
using
with
the
me in
red
traffic.
scat. Using the
Y'all
red
can't
scat,
fuck with me
man.
in traffic, man.
I
Stop
see.
playing with me, man.
Hey, DC, you said that was tweaking.
Going stupid too.
I ain't gonna you was going crazy, man. I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, your ass was
I got stuck behind a Tesla, but
Okay.
they driving slow as
Yeah, we got stuck in that Tesla was tweaking, bro. Bro, hey, that Tesla was tweaking.
Hell no. I said, fuck, I'ma just chill,
Bro, this nigga was tweaking though. This nigga right here was tweaking.
No.
Bro, he was tweaking.
We was going stupid.
Bro, oh God, bro.
Bro, he can't drive. He can't drive. He can't drive, bro.
I need to have a talk with my man.
He can't talk.
Nigga, I think they almost smacked me too.
Yeah, they gotta learn. You gotta let them get in front of you and then go.
White, bro. You
He's
racist.
trying
Lost
to.
his ass.
No, nigga.
You color racist, bro.
That big ass Durango, before you almost hit us too, and we hit a Durango. The fuck? Hey, we
It
going,
all
bro.
makes sense now. It really
Let's
do.
walk that way. Yeah, this motherfucker nice.
Damn, I'm following him.
We here though. I'm with J-Man. We made it here safely.
Nigga, I gotta get them headlights.
Motherfuckers cutting up. I can't believe Squeeze team pulled up. I'm trying to look for their ass, bro. I'm gonna see what they look like. They didn't there pulled up and left. Yeah, that was brick. That was brick 50.
You can get the V-Lays on those, but it really costs like like the pre-built ones, like in the Halos.
We gone. Come on, man. Fat neck ass.
Nigga, this
What
bitch,
you mean?
nigga,
If they
this
got
bitch-
the hood up, they want you to see that. Man, folks gotta get out the jam and that bitch.
Stop it. Get some help.
That bitch hard,
He got a.
bro.
Oh yeah, he probably be trying to raise people money and shit.
Nigga, that's a Hellscat.
Hey, folks got a Hellscat.
He got a Hellscat.
He talking
Folks got a Hellscat.
about a Hellscat. You funny as hell. What the?
He's trying to send people up, bro. It's cold. We gotta check this bitch out, bro. While we warm, bro. Hey, what they on over there? Let's check it out over here. Hey man, so look.
Damn.
Police down there shut that bitch down. I don't know how the fuck all these cars getting out this bitch, but hey, man, fuck it, man. Hey, where them? That bitch nice.
This bitch nice. Look at the mirror. Look at the mirror.
Oh, so they got something going on in there. So they warm and shit. Where his shit at? His shit probably in there. Hey, look at this motherfucker.
Nigga, they hooping in there.
12 in that bitch.
You said 12 in that bitch?
Yeah.
Damn.
People out.
What 12 on, man?
Let's go. Everybody go.
Boy, if you don't.
Hey, he said everybody go. Look at his ass. His ass ugly as hell.
Tweaking? No, I'm saying on my phone.
So mad for what?
Bro, they on that phone. They on my phone.
Now, what they on, man?
Oh, Lisa,
Hey, man, they kicking everybody out, man. They kicking everybody out, man. Man, they kicking everybody out. Man.
You can't do shit. That's the shit I be talking about.
I want some pizza. We can't even eat no pizza. Hey, we got to leave the pizza. But they kicking everybody out, man. I don't know what they on, man. They ass swinging. I just pulled up, man. We pulled up a squeeze team, all type of shit, man. Hey, there go officer, don't get pussy.
Let's go. Why are we standing around? Let's go. Do I need to start checking IDs? No, we don't want to do that. Let's go.
I don't even got an ID, gang.
That way. That way. That way.
Hey, I got his ass on camera, bro. He ain't on shit, bro. Oh, damn, that's... Hey, what's up, Shay? Shay, what's up, my boy? I didn't even know that. Recording the damn police and shit.
They could have came and just partied with us. What's up with them?
Why he walk in and walk out? Hey, we good. We parked like a mile that way. We just gonna...
Oh, God. Take off.
This motherfucker nice.
And they got a Pokemon. They can still get back inside, though.
Bro, how they gonna get out this mess, bro? Hey, they boxing y'all ass in. Stop! You parked over here, you might as well go that way.
I can foot this one.
We parked by the hotel over there.
Yeah.
His smile told me to pull up with the bikes and do some wheelies.
Oh, they still giving out pizza. I'm finna grab pizza, bro. His ass walked out this bitch.
Yo.
Bro, we got J Bands, man.
AJ Band's in the cut.
J Bands, man. Feel me?
I gotta wait, gang.
JB in this bitch.
Right here, they gonna all go to one spot. I gotta wait for them to scatter.
I don't even know what the fuck going on.
We ain't doing no damn. We going
Ooh, that bitch nice. Hey, where G's go? This bitch
That's cool.
My fault. Damn, motherfuckers is tweaking right now. Motherfuckers is tweaking right now, bro. It's the best video ever, bro. Look at all these straights, man. I swear. Damn. It's on top of straights out here, man.
All type of shit.
I'm glad we parked all the way that way, but we gone, boy.
Talking that nigga, that snitch. I ain't been no
Yeah, I'm on that.
But it's okay though.
Hey, it's a drone, folks. It's a whole drone. Hey, we gone. I mean, we gonna make it out because we all the way down here, though. If you park past there, I would get out right now. We parked all the way at the end. All right, man, we coming that way though.
I asked the dumbest question ever.
Hey, man, what's your Insta, man?
Number Walker 797.
But hey, put this shit in. Number Walker 797. Yeah.
We're going to the takeover. We gonna finna drop the load as soon as I get up out of here.
Hey, we coming that way right now. G's way.
Yeah, brother.
This is like this is over the beat.
They want us to record,
The
bro.
fuck,
They
bro?
want us to record.
The side of that car already fucked up. You don't want to fuck with that one. You don't want to fuck with that one. The side of that car already fucked up.
Oh, he got that.
Hey!
I said for the die, it's so cold outside. I'm glad I didn't drive my car. What is that, an M5 competition?
Yeah.
Oh, this one right there. Here we go, folks. Go this way. We got the dicks, man. Dickarooskies.
Can we do a reevaluation recap? I just asked this.
All right, man, look.
I just asked this nigga on camera, what's the next location? Next con, bro. What type of dumbass shit am I on, bro? I got
That was a
knowledge,
good question.
bro.
What you mean?
Bro.
Niggas will be like, look at the bitch in the car.
Oh, we finna be lit though.
God, bro.
Damn, these bitches nice, folks. They got that. Yeah, it's a way. They got strikers, we know. Them niggas got strikers. I got a striker. He ain't trying to get pulled. That bitch is strike. That bitch is strike.
Can I hear some wine? Damn, I hear one yet.
Blocking traffic, they mad as hell. They mad as hell. They mad as fuck. They got to though. That's illegal.
I have to do it.
Man, we got G's in it, man. As y'all can see, man, there's a lot of cars out here. They all leaving. Police outside, man. So I guess we gone. We gone.
Standing on my business, I'm not switching up. Target on my back for risking everything I